we have to place the figure in coordinate plane in convenient way and assign coordinates to each vertex. In this example, we have a rectangle, length is r and width is s. So let's draw xy plane. And because it's easy to find the lengths of horizontal and vertical segments and distances from 0, 0 from the origin, so we place one vertex at the origin. So this point is 0, 0, and we will put, we have that length is r, so we will place one side on the x-axis. This will be our length, so this point will have coordinates r, because we have that the length is r, and the second coordinate of x-axis is 0 always. Next, we will place the one side of y-axis. It will be our width. So let's put for example that here we have s. So this point has coordinates 0, s, because on y-axis first coordinate is always 0. And now we have 3 vertexes. So now the fourth, we know that rectangle has two parallel sides, so this side must be parallel to that. So this side must be parallel to that, and this side must be parallel to that side. So here we will have point, first coordinate might be the same like for this point, so this is r, and the second coordinate must be the same like the second coordinate of this vertex, so this is s. So this is distance from this point to that is r. This is our length of our rectangle, and this is our width s. This is my solution.